with the efforts that has been made by the city government, by the provincial government, and by Prasa, and supported also by national government. This is cooperative government at its best. This is how we should all work. That when we have problems and challenges of whatever nature, all levels of government, including our state-owned enterprises, must join hands and solve those problems. And you are now saying you are leaving us, and yet you have also played a key role, Premier, in making sure that this happens. So I'm sad. Should I cry?
We'll cry together.
So I'm glad that we're now using cooperative methods, even technological methods, to make sure that our trains are safe, our rail lines are properly secured, and we're using drones, we're using good security, Prasa security, to make sure that our trains are safe. Now, what is important in the end really is how we should care for our people. It is for good reason that we call these trains the people's trains. Uloliwe wabantu. That these trains are here to transport our people, and as we move forward, Minister, as you say, to make more trains, and as we move forward to improve our rail system, this is the best system for transporting people that we have in our country. And I proved that for myself, because when I was on the train in Soshangube, ordinary people told me that they love using the train only if the train would arrive on time. They love it because it is the cheapest form of transport and should really be the safest form of transport. So I'd like us to work together, all of us, to improve safety,